rocks in it. Have me walking all crooked in my Crocs and shit. Bitch, I go to Raji for my baby boy. Riding like a Kawasaki, that's his favorite toy. I'ma swipe his EBT like an Amex. Give it to him raw, no drawers, no latex. Yeah, I got him butt naked for me waiting at home. Bitch, your pussy ain't hitting if he take it too long. Told him put my name on it, making him moan. The smell of Lola Brook, that's his favorite cologne.
I'm yours for the summer, wanna drink until we drunk, I'm choosing you, baby. Things I wanna do to you, baby, say you crazy till I gotta take a risk on you. Like, why would I lie when I'm tryna put this on you, baby?
Tryna make a choice between his leg or his face. Shit getting more intense than election day. What I expect today is good night. Hood says stop calling his phone, bitch, he catching up on rest. Fucking with me is a W, fuck him at the W. When you coming quick, seems to trouble you. I want a rough neck, nigga that's masculine. Sex drive wild and his ass is immaculate. Put it in my nigga stabbing it. A shooter that assassinate, tongue doing magic tricks. Foot on neck, hand on funnel. Got him busting nuts before we leave the Holland Tunnel.
I'm yours for the summer, wanna drink until we drunk, I'm choosing you, baby. Things I wanna do to you, baby, say you crazy till I gotta take a risk on you. Gotta move this guy over a little bit. And guys, next I'm gonna put a piece of butter. Just stuff it in each one. Okay? In the cavity of the fish, just stuff your butter. And I have my oven preheated on 350, and I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to allow the fish to cook. Okay, so stay tuned. Here it is, guys, it's all completed. I will put everything in the description box, and if you guys like this recipe, please let me know. And until next time, be kind to others. One love.